Currently, the issue is that what we are looking at is mobile app developed from Tally using the Microsoft API from Turbodata. And the problem we are looking at is that the CEO has a following. He basically wants to look at information in a custom manner, and he wants data to be available on his mobile in a very easy to use, understand fashion, as well as he wants to share it. He wants graphical presentation of information, and he wants complete data security. And the client also has a very low budget, right? So the scenario would be something like this, that I'm just not going to be taking you onto my mobile, and on my mobile actually I've opened up my Power BI app, and if the CEO wants to look at this information in a easy to use fashion, then he wants to also share. He can front it on the screen. Suppose I open this dashboard, we open setup. If he wants to share by using web, WhatsApp, all that is possible. So he can share it across. If he wants to add comments, he can add comments. If he has his configurable on his, he can look across multiple pages. So this is actually an access to my mobile device. And what the CEO wants is that he wants access on his either mobile device, or he wants an access on his web app. So the same information he should be able to access from his web browser, and then do a drill down, drill through to the same, as well as he can export this data, analyze it in Excel, PowerPoint, PDF. He can export these files, and then he can even edit this mobile app if he wants and make his own mobile apps from the web, right? So because the entire semantic layer is there. So in order to achieve this, that means he has got a custom manner of looking. So this is custom mobile app, and he requires his data on the mobile web browser I've shown, this graphical information, and so forth. And the cons is that currently we do not have any incremental data load. Currently, there is no manner of updating the ERP. So basically, the method is you've got Tally, and then you go down to the mobile app configurator in the Power BI desktop, and then you publish it onto the web client. So how the mobile app configurator works is that I will give you a sort of a TCP here. So like this is a TCP which has to be loaded. And after this TCP is loaded, then this mobile app configurator Power BI will get the data in JSON. And once this JSON is there, you simply click the refresh button here, and your data will be updated for as many number of companies you want. And here you can generate your own columns, your own measures in the configuration table, and make whatever type of graphs you want using this template, which is here. And after that, you publish it onto your onto your domain, and you should be able to get your own mobile app. So the mobile app, once you publish it, so suppose I go down to my workspace and I go to say my any of the work folders. Suppose I've got multiple. You can create an app here. And once you create an app by using this particular login, you're able to see your app. So this is one very quick way of using the Azure cloud of generating your own mobile app. In case you need the mobile app, you just need the Tally extractor as well as the configurator. Then please do contact us. Our cost is just 5K. So, this is here. I'm putting it up here. So we will give you the TCP for 1 year, as well as the mobile app configurator Power BI template, so that the custom mobile apps can be made from here. This has been deployed by more than 30 end clients, and this is it. And you can give your CEO custom mobile app on his mobile very quickly. And just one last thing is there, that the my workspace on this module is completely free. We have taken a pro license for $10 a month because we have multiple clients, but by getting the data onto the my pro license, it is completely free. Now the other point here is that, as far as we had mentioned this point, that there is going to be a gateway here based on REST API JSON. That is taken care of by the Microsoft Gateway. So the Microsoft Gateway is configured. So you download it free for Power BI, and that will take in form of JSON from your desktop machine onto the cloud. Thank you very much for your time, and we look forward to servicing your requirements. Thank you very much.